Hi, glad you could join me again. Well, ghosts, monsters, pirates, skeletons, all great case characters. Check out the next few videos and I'll show you how to draw and colour them and lots more. It's easy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a cute, colourful, friendly ghost. But before I do, remember, subscribe if you want to know what's coming up. Hit that button. Okay, right. I'm going to be doing the colouring with 3 coloured pencils. Blue, yellow and a reddish colour, kind of pale vermilion. Okay, now this is Prussian blue, a darker blue, and I'm going to start off by drawing the outline. Now the head, I want you to imagine, looks like an ice cream cone, top of an ice cream cone. Okay, so we start about here and you draw a line coming up and up to a point like that and come back down again, yeah, a bit of the ice cream, and then one arm coming out, nice big fingers, another one coming in here, the arms outstretched, okay, and then the bottom part of the body, again like an ice cream cone, only upside down, doing something like that. Okay, now the face, the eyes come in about here, nice and big. Okay, the eyebrows, and get big pupils, like that, okay. A nice nose, and a nice mouth, smiley mouth. Okay, so that's the shape of the ghost, that's the outline, and what we're going to do now is we're going to shade it in, make it look a wee bit three-dimensional. What you do is we use this blue colouring crayon again, the colouring pencil rather, and instead of starting from the edge, leave a wee gap and start about here, leave a wee white gap, okay? And then shade up the side of your figure, like that, leaving that gap quite hard as it comes down there. And then what you do is you go back up again, this time take the weight off and make it slightly lighter like that, you see? And that gives a nice shaded look. You see that? Going up that side, gives a kind of three-dimensional look to it. Okay, a wee bit around the fingers as well. And up the side of the head here. Very dark first of all. And then coming down, make it lighter, like that. Okay. Now the other side I'm actually going to do with the yellow. So take the yellow and do the same thing, nice and heavy down the outside, leaving that wee gap from there, okay? And right up to the fingers. And right down the side, remember to leave the gap, like that. And then go back up again, taking the weight off, so you get that nice shaded look. Okay, like that, and starting to look nice. Now the next thing I would do, I would take the vermilion, the reddish colour, and I would start to put in a bit of detail, you know, maybe a rosy cheek here, maybe white bit there, and kind of colour around it. And then see a wee bit weight on your pencil, then take it off, leave a little white bit. And then same with the nose, nice and dark underneath, put a lot of weight on it. And as you come up, take the weight off, like that. And then fill in the mouth shape. Okay. Yeah, you're looking good. Now, the next thing I would do, I would take the yellow and bring it across to here. Put a line of yellow here. Coming up. Nice and light. And of course, once you start getting over the blue, you get a transformation, you get another colour. You get a greenish colour here, you get a nice bit of interest. Yeah. Same up here. bit of yellow down the outside here. Yeah. And then I think what we'll do is take the reddish colour again, the vermilion, and maybe give it a wee bit of a rosy glow around here. Okay. Coming out the outside, and you get an orange. You see, you put red over yellow, you get that kind of orange colour. Very nice. Okay. And then I think we'll finish off by just going over some of these lines again to darken them up over the top line there. Make it nice and heavy. Same with the eyebrows. And round the mouth too. Like that. Okay, now to make the ghost really stand out, what you do is you shade the background. Now a good thing is if you use the same colour that you use for the outline, in this case dark blue, and shade in the background, what happens is you lose your outline. And that gives a nice effect. You don't get a line around your drawing, but you get this, see the white bit? That was what the white bit was left for. To get that nice kind of three-dimensional look. Gives a nice quality to your drawing. Right up the side there. Shade all that in very quickly. Oops, over his thumb. In there. And then down this side. Okay, makes it really stand out. And as the more you shade, the flatter the head of the pencil gets, so it makes it easier to shade quickly, like that. And you can go round and round if you like, or go straight with your lines. You know, it's up to you. And there's another one here. Right down. You know, see that, how that little outline now vanishes, and you get the sense of the shape of the ghost going right up to the darkness there. And shade all that in really quickly. Okay. It's really quite dynamic now, isn't it? You see that really standing out. And then we'll do this side quickly. Of course, if you wanted, you could add another colour, maybe a dark red over the top of the blue. That would turn it purple, of course. But we'll give you another colour. But I quite like it just as with the blue here, you know. Quite bold. A wee bit in there. Quite dramatic. Excellent. Yeah, a nice, friendly, happy ghost off for scaring. Right. Okay, well I hope you can check out my other videos, because there's lots more coming up. I'm going to show you how to do lots of other characters, kids' characters, and how to colour them. But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing!